In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock locked deals in Zoho CRM. If you have ever opened a deal and noticed it is locked, you already know how important it is to regain control of the record. In Zoho CRM, a locked deal is protected so that changes are not made accidentally. When you are ready to update the deal, you can unlock it using the Actions menu at the top of the record. To begin, navigate to the Deals module. You can usually find this in the main navigation area of your Zoho CRM workspace. Take a moment to ensure you are working inside the Deals section, because the lock controls are specific to the deal record you open. Once you are in the Deals module, open the locked deal record that you want to unlock. When you select the correct deal, you should see the Deal Details page load, along with the standard record information and the usual top navigation for record actions. After the locked deal record is open, look toward the top of the page. This is where Zoho CRM places the most important controls for the record. Your next task is to click the lock icon or use the three-dot More Actions menu at the top right. Depending on your Zoho CRM layout and configuration, you might see either a dedicated lock icon or you might need to open the Additional Actions menu. If the lock icon is visible, clicking it is usually the most direct path. If you do not see it, open the three-dot menu and review the options that appear. Go ahead and click the lock icon if it is available, or select the three-dot More Actions menu if that is what you see on screen. This step matters because it is the gateway to the record-level permission changes. By using this menu, you are telling Zoho CRM that you want to change the locked state of the current deal, not some other record. Next, you will need to select the option to unlock the deal. The instructions indicate that you should select it or click All Leads and then confirm the prompt. In practice, this means you should choose the action that corresponds to unlocking for the deal you opened. If Zoho CRM shows a selection area that includes lead or deal options, you should make sure the unlocked action applies to the deal record you are working on. If you see a choice such as selecting All Leads, you can use that option only if it is shown in your interface, and it correctly targets the records you intend to unlock. The key idea is that the action must be applied to the locked deal you opened at the beginning. After you have chosen the unlock action, confirm the prompt that Zoho CRM displays. This confirmation step is there to prevent accidental changes. When the prompt appears, read it briefly to confirm it is asking you to unlock the deal. Then proceed with the confirmation to apply the change. Once you confirm, Zoho CRM will update the deal so you can edit and manage it as needed. Now that the deal should be unlocked, take a quick moment to verify the status. Look for any visual indicator on the deal record that suggests it is no longer locked. For example, you may see that the lock icon changes state, or the record fields become editable. This quick check helps ensure that the unlock action worked successfully before you start making updates. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know to unlock a locked deal in Zoho CRM, step by step, from opening the record to confirming the prompt and verifying the result.